back to my channel, Queen's Vision. So for today's video, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Queen's Vision. Hi everyone, welcome back to my Yo, this is me sober, okay? This is me sober. What is going on? Okay. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Queen's Vision. So why can I not stop moving my hands? It's like seriously getting fucking hot. I'm like sweating with this damn halo light in front of me. Oh my god, okay. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Queen's Vision. For the ones that are new here, welcome. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, or if you like these type of beauty videos. So for today's video will be a beauty video. I do a little bit of everything. I do vlogs, traveling, beauty, Frenchies, cooking, you name it. So do not forget to hit that subscribe button. For the ones that know me and know this channel already subscribed, welcome back. And let's just get started with this video. So for today's video will be an unboxing Ipsy Boxycharm video. So if you saw my January unboxing from Boxycharm and Ipsy were not a combination. They weren't a one person yet. They weren't together yet. And then I kept saying in that video that I had my February Boxycharm, but sadly I did it after we got back from the movies. I was a little intoxicated on some wine. I thought I looked really cute, story of my life. I did not look cute. So that video, just forget about February Boxycharm, and that one got lost somewhere in the streets in the process of me moving from my apartment to my house. So February, March are done, and we're here with April Ipsy Boxycharm unboxing. Because I do not have an account with Ipsy, but I still have my account with Boxycharm. But because I know Ipsy, it comes with like a little Ipsy bag, but I don't know what happened. I didn't really go into detail of the email that they sent me, sent to everybody that was Boxycharm member. So I think Ipsy, I don't know if they bought Boxycharm, correct me if I'm wrong, you know, decided to be sisters, I'm not sure, but just know that I'm still paying for my Boxycharm subscription, which is the same that I described in full detail in my January Boxycharm unboxing. Let's get started. So this is April Boxycharm Ipsy, since they collaborated together or made themselves into one. This is how it looks like when you open it. It just says self. And we have our products in here. Again, I went into full detail on my January Boxycharm, so I'm not gonna go and do that today. That's Princess. So finally, I got the paper. So it says Boxycharm by Ipsy right here. And it says, same great subscription you know and love, now with more perks than ever. Gorgeous together, Ipsy loves Boxycharm. They are together. And then it has the month right here. It says April 2023. And now we're going to open it. And this is what it looks like inside. And then it tells you like the saving products, and then your power picks, and then bottom, I hope you can see that right here. So here it says April 10th. I'm reading it backwards. Mega Drop shop opens. Then April 17th is Mother's Day sale, flash sale. April 24th, May 1st. May theme reveal, and then May 2nd through the 3rd you get to build your May box. And then it has more exciting news on the back, introducing your icon box by Anastasia Beverly Hills and your chief makeup artist, Ash K. Holm. So this is really cute. It comes like the makeup newspaper type thing, you know? So I like that. Okay, so we have our 5 products right here. I'm going to start with skincare and work our way to makeup, okay? Okay. Our first product we are going to start with is by it's by New York, and it's a pear serum oil. It is a I don't know why I keep trying to say pear serum oil. So it says restore your skin's dewy radiant glow with the brightening pear infused serum oil designed to deliver your skin to maximum nutrients. So I like that. I love serums. This is why I like to do skincare in my subscriptions, because I mean, I still get 19, 18, 21. I'm 29, guys, okay? I get, and with no makeup on, okay? With makeup on, I don't get ID'd, so, but I still don't get my age. So you can use your serum after cleansing, or you can use it before moisturizing or after moisturizing. So I'm just gonna take it out the box just to show y'all what it looks like. It is so cute. The instructions also in the bag, but it looks like a perfume little bottle. Look at that. So it is probably a little bit smaller than the palm of my hand. So yeah, I cannot wait to use this. And I don't know how much this goes for or anything. It just has an expiration date at the bottom, which I kind of like because the Boxycharm didn't have that. So, okay. I guess we're saving paper. I wish it had the price somewhere on here, but I mean, at least it does have the directions and everything on the sides of the boxes, which I would sure hope so. So, next product that we have is a Unisexy setting spray by Formula Z. Formula Z. So, it is vegan free, cruelty free. If I can't pronounce something correctly, do not chew my butt out. So mist onto the face as desired to set and refresh. To soothe and tone, apply to clean, dry skin as needed. After apply makeup application to set the face, and then use during the day as a makeup refresher. So it's kind of like it kind of reminds me of this one that I got from Boxycharm as well. It's this hydrating face mist. Like, so it's just like during the day to refresh, or if you just on vacation and you just want like a nice just glow mist, you know, 3-in-1. So I'm very, very intrigued. This is what the packaging looks like. I like it. I like it. It's really cute. So can't wait to use that. And our last skincare product is by Mud Masky. Vitamin infused eye serum reduces dark circles, moisture boost, vitamin boost, feeding, nourishing, and firming, pH balance, and fragrance free. And it says it's for sensitive skin under your eye. Vitamin C results after 3 to 4 weeks. Dark circles and fine lines will be less visible. For makeup, we have sadly 2 only makeup products, but I'm not complaining because we got our serum, we got our setting spray that you definitely do need in Houston, Texas for the goddamn summer. And then we got an eye cream. Now for mascara, because I just ran out of my mascara, so I'm excited. This mascara I was using by Milani. And honestly, I did like it for like the first 3 days. But then it starts to get like super, and this is how the wand looks like. Get very, very clumpy on me. I mean, even when I push the brush down in the tube, it's getting really hot in here with this halo light on my face. When I put the brush down all the way at the bottom, you can feel like that clumpiness. Like, just I opened this box, I was like, girl, I got a mascara right here. So happy. Anyways, this is by Milk, which I absolutely love. We all adore and love and praise Milk products. And this is the Rise Mascara. And it lifts, it lengthens, and it gives you volume. So I can't wait to try this out. I'll actually try this out tomorrow. 93% natural formula with vegan lash wrap technology that curls and lengthens for weightless volume. I was about to say, Elevate better not be no goddamn color purple, blue. I mean, Elevate better be like, elevate my lashes, homegirl. Elevate my lashes. Fits natural curve of lashes to lift from the root. So we'll see, right? Oh yeah, want to see my shirt, guys? So this little flannel thing is from Fashion Nova, and I just have these little Kylie, Kendall and Kylie jean shorts that I got from TJ Maxx. The tank top onesie from Fashion Nova I've been having for years. It slits open and it's like long, and it slits open right here and right here. So it's the first time I wore it to a wrestling event, and I had it like this and just down here in the back. But now that I have shorts on, this is my second time wearing it, and it looks super cute like this. The back, it says, self-love is the best love. I absolutely love it, Fashion Nova. Anyways, rambles. Who loves rambles? I love rambles. Okay. Oh, I love the packaging. Okay, Milk. Look at that packaging. Well, my battery died, so I had to go plug in my other battery. Thank God I have a backup one, because I would be really upset right now. So, back to the super hype mascara packaging that it came in. I love this. I hope that you can see this packaging. It's like rubber, like lined rubber. It is so cool. Like, I think I did have it upside down, my bad, guys. So I love the packaging. Oh look, it even has like a red tip in there. I love that. Like, just the brush. I kind of like it. It does have like a curve to it that how it said that it will grab it from the root. So I'm excited to rock this tomorrow. So why is I already do not like that. That is so horrible. So, and our last product is by Shades by Shane, San Francisco, California. This is a matte lipstick. I have never heard of this brand before. This makeup line. So, yeah. You are very beautiful. And colored Dubai. Oh, this is really pink. Eesh. So, this is what it looks like. I love the packaging. It has it at the bottom, like the color showing at the bottom. So I really like that. And, oh, this is a really pretty color. And, oh my God, that is so beautiful. And I only swatched it 2 times. Look at that. And that's a matte lipstick. That is so pretty. I love that color. Yes, girl, whoever S by S you are, this is probably going to be my go-to. So that is it for my beauty products for April. Ipsy Boxycharm for their first box together that I received, and I absolutely love it. Because I absolutely love all the products. I cannot wait to try them out. Thank you so much for watching this video and watching until the end. I hope so. And indulge into the subscription or into one of these products if you want to try them out individually. You can just go to the Ipsy website and look up the products. That concludes our video. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see y'all next time.